Ubah bensan pala, Presiden Kasang Kongres, ulang baulah kami nanti, bau Dr. Mukul rengkat berkatukan ngot kemili kin Mih Noh na Kasang Kongres, bandrung cegui pat kiseng. Habikan berkatukan kin kentok khubor, ubah pala ulang, bau Dr. Mukul amtang bau lelek Kasang TMC Hendrik Shua jong kaneru, ulalek terwale di sekibabun kiseng kentok bu ya Kasang BJP.
If you want a direct and honest questions, I'm telling you, Dr. leaving the party, it's not because of me. It's only an excuse because of me. I was in touch with many of our friends in the other parties also. So I knew that he already been contacted BJPs also. BJPs also told me. But somehow BJP were not very keen to take him at that time. I knew that even much before my appointment also, he was in touch. So he was on the verge of leaving the party at that time, because I think people who have been in power for so long, suddenly when they are out of power, definitely there will be lots of uneasiness amongst them. And this government is, especially the NPP government in Garo Hills, I think they become stronger compared to his strength. That was one of the reasons, I think.
Naik ke bawa pala ulapan pau ke solongo, ya ke jenglek rengkat jauh baca Charles pengrup, MLA jong nak temai banyak soalan baka kenun Dr. Mukul sang mah.
We all aware of the situation. Actually, this is not the first time, it was there before. We expected that things will come like this. But honestly, we didn't expect Charles also will be in the group. That was a surprise to me. I personally spoke to Charles, and he admitted that he also will be joining the group. And I think we as a party, we will fight. Legally also we will fight. We will consult our lawyers. So soon we will also do something after the meeting with all the legislators and the MDCs. We'll take a collective decisions. So legally also we'll fight. How can the mandate was given for the Congress? They were only a candidate, and suddenly they want to betray their voters. I don't think the voters also will be happy. So we'll fight both legally also and politically also.
We will fight back. We have a Congress legislature party which speaks with authority. We will reform our forces. We feel that here is presented to the Congress party an opportunity to the people of Meghalaya to look for a new era of politicians. The very fact that this buying and selling, this horse trading, this poaching is becoming too frequently occurring to destabilize our economy. I think it's time now, and an opportunity given to the Congress party to relook at its candidates, give ample space for young new faces, give space for the people to realize that the decadence of political goodwill is not something that the public will worry about in the near future.